Oh yeah, and check this one out. It is complete. This one, the number one, the prototype. Uh-huh. These are going to be the stands. And I was busy sanding these all down and getting them all uniform. This isn't all of them. I have to make more. There's one stand. There's two stands. There's three stands. Okay, I got four stands. I need six. So I've got to make six more of these. That means tomorrow I can start working on the stands because these things are going to continue to build themselves with my help, of course. Hey, everybody. What I am doing is I'm making X fighters. Right now, this little piece that I've got here is the hyperdrive cowling. All right, the hyperdrive goes back in here. These are the sublight engines. And so this is part of the process. I'm making 6 X fighters. And so, oh, and that one's separated. That figures. Because all of these, I made plans and blueprints of this stuff years and years ago, and I refer back to them if I ever need them. It's like this right here. If you can, what you need to be able to build X fighters, and that's just a start. You can add stuff like I did to the canopies on this. This is the prototype. It's not for sale. There will be 5 of these in the squadron that are going to be up for sale when I finish building them, which will be Friday. They're $100 each plus tax. They come with a signed, dated, and numbered stand. Matter of fact, the stands and stuff look like this. These are not models. These are paper art forms. It's not really an X-Wing. It's an X-Fighter. It looks like an X-Wing, but it is not. There's slight differences. Matter of fact, there's a lot of differences in this one versus Star Wars X-Wing. But you can call it an X-Wing if you want. I don't care. And check on these tutorials. This X-Fighter tutorial is going to be up there in a week. Right now what I'm making is I'm making X-Fighters. I'm making 6 of them, a squadron of 6. All of this stuff I build, it's all recycled paper and Elmer's glue. It literally is the cheapest hobby on the planet. I'm putting the bottom cowling on another one of the X-Fighters. As you can see, I've been working on these just all week as tutorials for X-Fighters. Now, this is my own design. X-Wings do not look like this. Similar, but not the same. And so I built my own design on this X-Fighter. And what I'm doing right now is I'm putting on, basically what this is the armor on the hull. These are X-Fighters, so they would be a space plane. Capable of atmospheric flight and space flight. There's a hyperdrive engine in them and sublight engines. This does keep my mind sharp, and it keeps my hands limber because I'm always moving them. Well, you can beg all you want, but you see the problem with this, there's this prototype and there's 5 others. I've already told the paper army all over the world that I'm selling these for $100 each plus tax and shipping. Now, there's only 5 of them, minus this one, in the world. If you want one, the first person that puts in, oh, what is tax on $100? I think that's like 9. And then shipping, depending on where in the world you are, is going to be upwards of $20. So we're looking at about $130 on my Cash App. First person to put $130 on Cash App gets the number 2. I don't get rid of the prototypes because they go to fairs and things like that for me to show. The number 2, that's it. So the first person to put $130 on my Cash App gets the number 2, signed and dated to them. Also, number all of the stands. So your stand will be numbered. And the number 2, X Fighter, the stand will be number 44. The first one's a prototype. I learned something with building this first one. I have to paint some more things differently. And so number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 are all going to be better than the prototype. No, I have 1 prototype. There are 5 production pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 5 pieces. Prototype does not go to anybody. It stays in the family. Well, it's not really an X-Wing. It's an X-Fighter. This is different from the X-Wings. And different hyperdrive, different guns on the cockpit. And so, but it kind of looks like an X-Wing, but it is not. Everything, anything round, it doesn't matter what it is. These engines, I used a big sail needle to wrap the engines up. I used a smaller needle for the guns. But for stuff like this, I've got all kinds, I got a whole bunch of round stuff. If I need something this size diameter for a gun or engine or something, I just roll it up on here like I'd roll up a cigarette. Glue and regular paper, it's amazing. I'll show you really quick how I make a cylinder. This is probably the easiest way to show you right here. Whatever length of cylinder you need, then you take and you put it on here like so. All right, and you get to the end of it like this. All right, you get to the end of it like that, and then you just start rolling it up, and then you put glue on it like that, and you just roll it up. The glue gets pushed forward, and there. Okay, now it comes off, and you got a cylinder. And depending on the size of this, you might want a bigger cylinder. Use one of these. That's how you build them. I've designed all this stuff myself and figured out how to do it. Now I've got 20 hours. When this show is over, I've got 20 hours build time on these. They're not done. But I should have 30 hours into these when I'm done. Not counting the stands. If I count the stands, we're looking at 40 hours. Now, you take 40 hours and divide it by 6. That's basically how long it takes to build one. But you can't build one as fast as you can build 6. Because while one is drying, if you don't have something else to build, you got to let it dry. Well, I'm letting one dry. I'm working on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you build this stuff yourself so nobody will have anything that you've made. Hyperdrive unit installed. Yep, there's another one. Oh, there's 3. And then work on building some. They're X-Fighters. I would love to see what you do. This is my blueprints for the X-Fighters. Now, I do these different. Most of this is exactly the same. But there are things that I added to that I don't have on here. Like the guns that are on the top of the deck. Next to the cockpit. And the pieces that hold the guns in place on the wings. But, Lucian, if you'd like, you can take this on.